Hi, I was thinking, you know, I bought this expensive $800 camera and noticed it was just sitting in my cabinet looking unused. So I decided I would vlog my weekend this weekend because it is the long weekend in Canada. We have a holiday on Monday, and you know what, why not just show people that I actually do stuff and I actually have friends. Today is Friday the 31st of July. I'm going to get Korean barbecue with my boyfriend who's picking me up in 5 minutes, and then we're gonna try out this like new dessert spot in Kitchener. And tomorrow I'm going to the beach with a few of our friends, and hopefully it's not packed because we don't want corona. Sunday I'm going to Mississauga, Toronto area because I run a food account on Instagram called Noms with Bianca. Follow me or don't, whatever. And I just like showcase the restaurants I go to, and like sometimes I even get collabs with restaurants and they give me like free food, so that's fun. I'm not sure what I'm doing Monday. I'm probably just gonna study and do assignments because I'm still in school. Yeah, so I just wanted you guys to come along with me and hang out with us.
Let's dip up out of here. Stop, wait a minute. The way you move that girl, you done got my heart all in it. And I just wanna be with you tonight. Girl,
Are you hungry?
No, I just ate a full course meal.
So we're at Vincent's house.
Hi.
Say we're gonna go to D-Spot later.
We're going to D-Spot later.
Oh, ugly.
right, and I just wanna cheat. So let's dip up out of here. Let's dip up out of here. She's fine too, but I want you. She's fine too, but I want you. I'll admit it, this just ain't no game. These just ain't words that I'm speeding. If you could see the thoughts that's in my head, I'm tripping, I'ma play it as true.
Hey world.
Was that good?
It was delicious.
Yeah, it was good. And it was kind of expensive, but
I'd
it was
say it's
big.
worth it.
I
I'd
think
say
it's
it's worth
worth
it
it
because it's huge.
yeah, because they actually like, I didn't finish it, we didn't finish it, so it was kind of a waste.
I mean, we did have Korean barbecue before this, so. Yeah,
The COVID really just ripped their whole like They're not taking any photos.
Hi.
Is this a vlog?
Yes. Hey. Oh. You got anything to say?
No, I didn't come prepared for this.
They just got caught for having alcohol on the beach.
Sad times.
What if I take
Can I be free? Is this how I feel? I'm in need of love, so let's dip up out of here. Ooh, you touch my side, everything's so right. So I just want to chill. Let's dip up out of here, dip up out of here. She's fine too, but I want you.
Hi guys, so I just came home from the beach and oh my god, I got sunburnt so bad. I'm wearing a sweater because my skin hurts. We're gonna go to Chuck's Roadhouse for dinner. Well, we're not going till 9, it's 7:25 right now. I'm gonna head over to my boyfriend's house and just chill there in the meantime. Hello.
Hello world. We're back. We're at my house. Again.
It's over. I'll never be sober.
Another day, another adventure. We should start a series. Adventures with Bianca.
We are going to Mississauga today. We're just gonna go get our free food at Burger Factory in Mississauga. Even though there's one here, but we gotta go all the way.
Hey, what are you getting?
So the free thing that we got was the compressor burger, and then we just got a cheeseburger on the side because we only got one free burger. So I don't know if you can hear me under the mask, but wear your mask, kitties.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island.
Get this
Oh, you got it in your nose, Baba. Oh, you sucked it. He sucked it in his nose.
What it's turned into.
The Burger Factory was actually really good.
I'm so full.
Yeah, it was the first time trying it, and like there's like lots of locations. There's one in Cambridge, but I got asked to go in Mississauga, so that's why I'm here.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
Okay,
But why?
like quadruple chin. Deuce.